Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about different types of louvers. I am going to explain about angular louver, standard louver and dome shaped louvers. And also I am going to show you how to create these form tools. See, this is the angular louver. This is the forming tool. So I am going to show you how to create these components. This is standard louver. I am going to show you how to create this forming tool, as well as I am going to explain two different methods to create this component. This is dome shape louver. This is the forming tool. So let's start now. So I have created a simple component. This is 150 by 150. You can take any size. So I am going to place louvers on this component. So I am going to create this angular form tool. Right click, select this sketch, create one triangle, take 20, this angle is 30 degrees. Now go to feature, extruded boss. Keep it in mid plane, make it 100. Select this base, go to sketch, create one rectangle of any size. Here I am not going to constrain this sketch. Take 10 mm height. Now apply fillet at this location. Now select this face, go to sketch, convert entity. So if you keep in wireframe, you can see the sketch. Go to extruded cut, make it through all. Now go to sheet metal module, select forming tool. Here the stopping face is the bottom face, so this tool is going to propagate in this direction, in vertical direction. So here the material to remove, we have to select these three faces, and this top side face, unselected faces will be forming faces, so it converts to yellow color. See here, so this is the stopping face and red color is the material to remove, and this is to forming. So we have to save this file in this forming folder. So there is a shortcut, open the folder and we can save this file. Now I am going to place this Louver. So we have to see the direction, it is in opposite direction, so we have to flip the tool, so direction is in here. Now go to position, keep it normal, right click and select, go to dimension, next we have to go to point and we have to click at a different location to form the instances. So this is 45. I'll say OK. See here. So the component can be done with the lancing operation, or simply we can cut this portion with laser cutting and we can bend this portion. With two methods we can create this angular louvers. So this is the simplest method to create the louvers. So next I am going to show you how to create standard louvers. Go to new part file, select top plane, go to sketch, take center point rectangle, make these two lines equal. This is 150. Now go to extruded boss and give depth of 10 mm. Now I am going to explain first method. Select right plane, draw two perpendicular lines, select 3-point arc, You can select this center and the origin, make it merge. So this is 20 mm. Go to extruded feature. Direction make mid plane and 80 mm. Now select this face. Go to sketch, convert entity. So you can see in wireframe it is converted. Now go to revolve feature. So for axis, select this line. It is take 360 degrees. So make it 90. See here. Similarly, select this face. Go to sketch, convert entity, select feature, go to revolve boss and select this edge. So we have to select always vertical edge and angle is 90 degrees. Say OK. Now go to feature, apply fillet. So this is 5 mm. Now select this face, go to sketch, convert entity and select extruded cut. Here make it through all. This forming tool is ready. Now we have to create forming feature in this. So select this stopping face and material to remove this face. So we have to select this face. Say OK. Now we have to save this file in this forming folder. So I am going to suppress these features and I am going to create a second method. Select this face, go to sketch, draw two lines, select this line, select the midpoint and coincide with the origin. Now distance between these two lines is 20. Now draw two arcs. So I have taken the 2-point arc option. Now select this point, make it tangent. Select this point, make it tangent. Select these two arcs, make it equal. Select this center and this line, make it coincide. Now select this line and this is 100. So here we have only single sketch and we are going to revolve this sketch. So select this line. So it is creating a capsule shape. So we have to make it 90 degrees. So this is the simplest method to create Louver instead of creating 5 to 6 features with the traditional method. Now select this edge and apply radius. So I have taken 5 mm radius. Now select this face, go to sketch, convert in 80. See, this is converted. Go to feature, extruded cut. So make it through all. Now we have to create forming tool feature. Select go to forming tool. Select this face and faces to remove, select this face. Say OK. So this is the second method to create the standard louvers. So we have to save this file in this folder. Now I am going to apply this on this sheet metal. So we have to see the direction, it is in opposite direction, so we have to flip the other direction and we have to go to position, keep it normal. This is 75. Now we have to select the point and click at the two different locations, so it automatically creates the instances. Say OK. So these are the standard louvers. Next I am going to explain dome shape louvers. Take a new part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one line, make it horizontal, select this line, select the midpoint and select the origin and make it coincide. This is 100. Don't modify the dimension. Go to leaders, select minimum, so we'll get the value. Now this is 20 mm. So this sketch is done. It's on the top plane. Now select the front plane. Go to sketch, keep it normal. Now we have to select this line, convert entity. And take 3-point arc. So one more method we can do is take a center line, draw it exactly like the center, so make it vertical, simply dimension this, so this is 10. Now we have to create a loft feature. So select the loft boss, select these two sketches, say OK. So to avoid this problem, select the top plane, make it equal, depth is 10 mm. Select these two sketches, go to lofted boss, now select this face, go to sketch, convert entity, so it is converted. Go to feature, extruded cut, make it through all, say OK. Now go to sheet metal, select forming tool, select this bottom face, this is topping face, and material to remove, select this vertical face, say OK. Now this forming tool is ready, so we have to save this file in this forming folder. Now I am going to place this forming tool on the component. So go to forming tool, so we have to see the direction, it is in opposite direction, so we have to flip the other direction. Go to position, right click and select, keep it normal. Now select point and place it at two different locations. Now make it vertical. So the dome shape forming tool has been created now. So this is how we create different kinds of louvers. We can customize according to requirement. Thank you very much.